We're here at the beautiful campus of University of Mary Washington in Fredericksburg, Virginia, which used to be an all-girls college. It's now co-ed. The university, what seems like they've been doing about a building a year, some of these older buildings, taking them all the way down and fully renovating. Southern Air was awarded the mechanical and plumbing contract here on the Virginia Hall job, which is a 100-year-old three-story dorm with a basement and crawl space. One really neat part about this project is putting a modern HVAC plumbing system into a 100-year-old building. Currently, the steam mains that feed the campus travel through an existing tunnel through the Virginia Hall building. What we're doing is we're putting in T's and valves so that once we install new underground steam lines, we will bypass that existing steam line and be able to demo it from in our building that we're renovating to make room for the new mechanical. One specific thing here with the shutdown is we had to have very specific welders. We had to have code welders. Due to the fact that we're using code welders, all the welds have to be inspected, 100%, every weld. So we have an X-ray subcontractor here that's going to X-ray and examine every single weld to verify that it's done correctly, which we have no doubt that that's how Southern Air does it. The Virginia Hall project is the biggest project I've done on my own as a project manager. As a challenging renovation, it's fairly exciting to work up here on this beautiful campus, and the group of guys that I have here is just excellent, and looking forward to knocking this one out the park.